Okay, so we're here on location for another job for A&A Masonry, and the difficulty here is that water was getting into the basement. So we need to do a waterproofing job, and right now the crew is breaking apart the sidewalk that's going by the house, the concrete, so that they can get in there and dig down into the foundation and take care of the problem. So let's have a look and see how this job goes.
A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe. When it comes to homes and commercial buildings, waterproofing is a critical element for protecting the building and preserving its value. Poor waterproofing can fail, leading to cracks, mold issues, and structural defects. When your waterproofing fails, this can cause safety issues, which can significantly reduce the value of your property and lead your home to be unfit for occupation. Fortunately, if you catch waterproofing issues earlier rather than later, you could remedy the problem so your home is safe and as good as new. Some of the common aspects that can cause waterproofing to fail are listed here. Poor workmanship, including incorrect installation, can lead to leakage issues, causing waterproofing failure. Poor workmanship also includes wrong product specifications to do the job. When the wrong material is used, the waterproofing can fail. Also, insufficient substrate preparation, which means poor preparation before the waterproofing membrane is applied, can also lead to future waterproofing problems. If the material is not applied correctly, it may not form a proper seal or may not bond adequately to the surface that it is being applied to. The drainage system needs to be installed perfectly. Any obstruction or damage to the drainage system can result in water infiltration, leading to waterproofing failure. If the waterproofing material does not cover the entire surface, it can leave vulnerable areas that are susceptible to water infiltration. This can occur due to poor application techniques, inadequate material quantities, or obstacles that make it difficult to apply the material. A&A Masonry has examined many waterproofing crews and has researched and found the top crews in Ontario to put on your job. This way, they know that the components listed earlier that add up to waterproofing failures will not occur on an A&A job, as witnessed by their stellar reputation in the industry. The first thing the crew need to do is get started with the excavation of the area. This starts off with breaking off the concrete walkway around the section where the waterproofing needs to get done. Then the crew need to dig down several feet deep enough to expose the weeping tile. This is the most labor-intensive part of the job. As the access is very tight between the two houses, it's not possible to use an excavator, so this work must be done by hand. Once the exterior foundation is exposed, the area needs to be cleaned to remove any loose soil or concrete. The crew can now examine the wall for cracks and other openings that can cause water to get into the home. They then fill in the cracks and holes with a high-strength hydraulic cement to make the wall structurally sound. This material then is troweled to a smooth finish. Once done, the AquaBlock liquid membrane is applied to provide waterproof protection to the wall. This provides additional safeguard against water infiltration. Then they apply a thermal shield barrier wrap. This helps protect the sealant from any sort of deterioration that may arise from extreme weather conditions. The crew then install an extremely durable dimpled membrane to obtain superior and permanent protection. The plastic dimpled core provides compressive strength to keep headwater pressure off the face of the wall and creates a drainage space that allows high capacity flow to the foundation drainage system. Once this is done, they finish the job with installing a new weeping tile with a filter fabric, then covering the weeping tile with a layer of gravel and backfilling and cleaning up the job site. And here is the job with the backfilling done and the site left clean. The only thing left is to re-pour the concrete section of the walkway that had to be excavated to get the job done. But the home is now safe from water getting in, and a very satisfied homeowner that can now be confident in a job well done. To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.